welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Gina, and so for today's video I will be doing a cook and clean with me. I will be cleaning my kitchen and living room area, and I also will be cooking with a home chef today. So without further ado, let's just get on to the video.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. Singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Lucid dreams. Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did.
And so I just finished vacuuming, and then I see all this. What did you do? Huh? he had a toy tire and he ripped it. Really, Lucky? Really? You're gonna get the vacuum now and you're gonna start cleaning.
Lucky doesn't have hands. First doesn't have hands.
Like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close on an endless road. I'm levitating now in one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams, I walk within your maze. My head is dizzy like the purple haze. I don't know where we're going, but the clues that you are throwing are leading me back home to you. 'Cause you got me feeling high, like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying, yeah. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close on an endless road.
Okay guys, so for dinner I am cooking with this Home Chef meal kit, and these are the chicken fajitas. This video is not sponsored by them by any means. I bought this with my own money. I have been wanting to try this, and I went to my local Kroger and they actually had them there. As you can see here, this was $16.99 and it serves 2 people. It is ready in 15 minutes, and all you have to do is cook it in the stove. And for what I know, everything that you need will be in this kit. So then basically this is gonna be me and my husband's meals. And my kids actually wanted and requested chicken nuggets with some mac and cheese, so that is what I will be cooking for them on tonight's dinner. So let's go ahead and see what all they have. So here they have the veggies, all the veggies. They have a package of cheese. They have the flour tortillas. And then they have taco seasoning, your sour cream, and here they have your chicken. And I really do like how they have it closed off to where it won't get on anything else. And so then in here it actually comes with the instructions on how to do it. So it says that it's easy to make. The spice level is mild. And then, so here it tells you what you will need, which is just olive oil and a large non-stick pan. Before you cook, take a minute to read through the recipe before you start. We promise it will be time well spent. Okay, so we are gonna prepare the chicken first. Pat chicken breast dry across with 1, 2, 4. Cook the chicken. Okay, so we have to cut it on medium high. Okay, so I kind of have an idea on how to do it, so let's just get started.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong. Cannot keep it low key.
So I had been wanting to try this because I've seen so many videos on either Home Chef or HelloFresh, and it's just so much easier. If you buy the kit or whatever, you know, you don't have to go off and buy anything else because it all already comes into the package, and that's what I really like about it. Okay, so now that we have everything cut up, I now will be adding some olive oil. So while I have the chicken cooking, I will go ahead and open the veggies. I might need the scissors for this. And then on here it does say that I am gonna need 1/4 cup of water. So get a measuring cup. So that is 1/4. Okay, so now that I have all that opened up and the chicken is cooking, what I am going to do is start on my kids' chicken nuggets. So I will be air frying their nuggets. And you guys, if you don't own an air fryer, I highly recommend the air fryer. I love it. I cook everything on here as far as the nuggets, chicken strips, french fries, what else? I have done shrimp, I have done the chicken here. I've done so many things on the air fryer. I highly recommend it. If you do not own one, get yourself one. It is a money well spent. So what I'm going to do is throw some nuggets in there, turn it on, and we are going for chicken. Oops. What's that? There we go. And it is on already. But I think I'm gonna do 18 minutes, and then there it goes. We just let it sit there until it's done. Okay, so my chicken is pretty much done. Now what I am going to do is just put it on a different pan. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit more of olive oil and throw in the veggies. You guys, I really wish you could smell this.
We start remembering bad memories of the past. Let us
Okay, so here all I did was grab my flour tortillas and wrap them in some damp napkins and just popped it in the microwave for about 1 minute. So while the tortillas were warming up, I just started on my kids' plates. Just adding the finishing touches, which is the shredded cheese and the sour cream. Okay, so this is what the tacos look like. And so it said that it only served 2 people, but it did come with 6 tortillas, so we made 3 for me and 3 for hubby. So now let's taste them. And of course I have to have my tapatio as always. Taste test. How does it taste?
Pretty good.
It tastes good?
Kind of tastes like Taco Bell.
Sure. Well, I will be the...
That's good.
Sorry and excuse my hairs. They're everywhere. But it is really good. Like I said, I've never tried them before, but I've always wanted to. And first meal that we tried from them, they're the chicken fajita tacos. They're really good. I recommend. So I want to thank you all for watching another of my video. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.